Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Capital One banking account online on your PC. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Capital One online banking account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address capital1.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Capital One. So let's wait for it over here. And now guys, in order to log into your Capital One account, you can log into your account from over here from the home page, or you can just click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen and a login panel will open. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your username with which you have signed up for an account on the Capital One, and after that enter your password over here guys. But guys, if you've forgotten your username or your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot username or password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to your procedure where you will be able to retrieve your account's username or your password by giving some credential of yours. And that being said guys, after entering your username and your password, simply click on the sign in button and you'll be logged into your Capital One online banking account on your computer. And guys, this is how you log into your Capital One online banking account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.